Alright, we're back. Had to do a battery swap there, it was dying on me. Alright, so we just went over all my plumbing. Now we go over my sister's. So we got the back house way back there, the main house here. So the back house feeds through here. And he said there was a breakdown inside the pipe in there because it's moist up under there. I don't know about that, but whatever, it could be. Anyway, he has a trouble getting the snake down to that pipe down, cleaning it out. Here's our two pipes here. So this is the gas, this must be the electrical. So that's the electrical down there we're looking at above it. That's the electrical, this is the gas line. Now, as I recall, my gas line Y's in this direction here and comes in, so this is probably my gas line. And then I think it also hooks up to her gas line. I only see one line down here. So this one here I dug out before. So the plumber went over here and dug a big ass hole over here. Because he said it was over here. So this here was a massive hole right here. We just fell back in. It filled up the whole top of the yard full of dirt. Heavy digging. 2 days of digging because it's all rock like this. It's just all solid rock everywhere and hard pan. Just like concrete all the way down. They dug down about 5 feet. Yeah, what a waste of time. So, nobody would listen to me. I said, go over here and dig a hole. Find the pipe. Oh, look what we found on the ground. Oh, there's a pipe down there. There's the sewer pipe. And it's a double one. So you can see how the main pipe goes right up the sidewalk to the house. That's hers. And then that Y is in right there, which goes over there, which is the back house. So they both get a common sewer pipe here. So her pipe doesn't block up, hers does. That's why we're doing all this work. She's having problems with plumbing. So once we found out this pipe went this way, we go, oh, let's maybe dig over here. And they dug this one out. And guess what? The pipe is only that far deep, about a foot. Not 5 feet deep. What is stupid. So anyway, it goes right through here. Goes out here somewhere on the street. Now the city marked everything, and the sewer guy said they marked everything, and they drove by and never marked a damn thing. So we're just guessing as we go. Yeah, typical. So I'm not sure what yellow means, but yellow's electrical. That's what the electrical line is. So this one here must be gas. The only problem is the gas line's over here, not over there. So who knows what the hell they're doing. Maybe there's two gas lines. I've only seen one. We dug through everything. So anyways, now we gotta dig this out, fix it. So we gotta dig that down and try to clean it out, and they're gonna probably put a liner in the pipe. This here is an old gas pipe, which is probably defunct. I'm guessing, because that's what we did on ours. We had defunct pipes all over the place. So anyway, a lot of fun. So anyway, tomorrow we're going to do some pulling out some pipe and start replacing stuff. So there you go.